Welcome to the world of technology innovations. Today, we will talk about one of Xiaomi's flagship models, the Xiaomi 14T. This device stands out with its next-generation AMOLED display, Leica camera technology, and powerful performance. What does the Xiaomi 14T offer? If you enjoy watching such interesting topics, subscribe to our channel now and don't forget to like the video. Let's get started. This flagship catches attention with its modern and premium design. It features a next-generation 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a 144 Hz refresh rate and 4000 nits peak brightness, offering an amazing visual experience. The brightness is so high that every detail is perfectly visible even in sunlight. The eye-powered screen automatically optimizes reflected content. When it comes to performance, the Xiaomi 14T is equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 8300 Ultra processor. Thanks to its 4nm energy-efficient manufacturing process, this chip provides maximum performance without high power consumption. With a powerful CPU and GPU combination, you'll experience stable and fast performance both in daily tasks and heavy gaming or multitasking use. Regarding memory options, the device comes with 12GB and 16GB RAM variants, as well as up to 512GB of internal storage, which meets all your speed and storage needs. With ultra-space technology, memory performance is enhanced, apps open faster, and the user experience becomes smoother. The camera system of the Xiaomi 14T is equipped with a professional optical lens and a Sony IMX906 high dynamic range image sensor. The 50 megapixels main camera offers high detail levels and true color reproduction. The 50 megapixels telephoto camera is perfect for lossless zoom and professional portrait photography. The 12 megapixels ultra-wide camera is designed for wide-angle shots and allows for dynamic frame creation. The flagship supports 4K video recording, enabling you to create professional quality videos with cinematic visuals. Thanks to Leica's optical technology and the Sony IMX906 sensor's high dynamic range, photos captured with the Xiaomi 14T will appear more vibrant, deeper, and natural. For the front camera, the device features a 32 megapixels in-display selfie camera. This camera provides high-quality images and true color reproduction in both selfies and video calls. When it comes to the battery, the flagship has a 5000 mAh battery that offers a full day of autonomy, even with active use. More importantly, it comes with 67W hypercharge technology. With this technology, the device can reach a full 100% charge in just 45 minutes, allowing users to quickly charge their phones in a short amount of time. Effective cooling is crucial for strong performance, and the Xiaomi 14T is equipped with the Ice Loop cooling system. This technology prevents the device from overheating and ensures stable performance, even under heavy loads. While gaming or using demanding applications, the Xiaomi Ice Loop system optimizes the processor's temperature and keeps the device's performance stable. Additionally, the device holds an IP68 certification for dust and water resistance, proving its high resistance to water and dust. Thus, the device can be safely used in rainy weather, at the beach, or in dusty environments. The Xiaomi 14T operates with the Xiaomi HyperOS and Android 14-based software. This next-generation operating system provides a fast, lightweight, and user-friendly interface. Android 14 offers new security updates, smarter interface, and optimized power management, helping the device run smoothly and fast. HyperOS provides AI-based features and smarter interface management, making the user experience more intuitive and dynamic. What do you think of the Xiaomi 14T? Which competitors do you think it can be compared to? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with the latest news. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.